Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am your host and beautician Gulali Ke Afridi on your favorite show Beauty Parlor only on Bypass TV. So guys, हमारा lucky draw को इतने अच्छे response आप सबने दिया that we have extended the last day of announcement for all the new entries. So guys, now instead of the 8th of May, we're going to announce on the 15th of May all the 12 lucky winners. So congratulations, you guys. You guys have made this very popular and we are right now receiving so many new entries and we're loving it. So guys, take out your phones और जल्दी जल्दी Glow and Lovely Sunsilk की ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा खरीदारी करें ताकि आपको मौका मिले ब्लो ड्रायर और रिमिंगटन का स्ट्रेटनर जीतने का मौका. So guys, today on Beauty Parlor हम आपको सिखाएंगे a fresh summer glowy makeup look today. So let's start that look now. Okay guys, so before using any makeup products or starting any makeup, you must use a good primer. हर प्रोसेस का एक प्रोटोकॉल होता है. जैसे हम स्किन केयर में सबसे पहले क्लेंजर यूज़ करते हैं, उसी वे में हम सबसे पहले मेकअप में हमेशा we use a good primer. A good prep and prime is so important. I have already moisturized and done all of that stuff. Now I'm going to use our Musarat Misbah's primer, which is amazing. और guys, गर्मियों में प्राइमर बहुत important होता है, not only to protect your skin but for your makeup to stay put longer hours के लिए भी, क्योंकि हमारा मेकअप समर्स में बज हो जाता है, sweaty हो जाता है and it tends to move. So primer is going to let you stay put throughout the day and night. So this is their silk primer and this is honestly the first time I'm using Musarat Misbah's primer. This is oil free, which I absolutely love, and it is for all sort of skin conditions and all sort of skin types. So let's start this process, guys. It's going to help you. It also claims that it's going to help you stay put throughout the night and day. So it says stay all day primer. Okay, I think we've overly used this. There we go. आप इसकी यूजेज से ही आपको आइडिया हो गया होगा कि ये कितना यूज हो चुका है ऑलरेडी. So it's a very loved product if it's thoroughly used before. Oh, I love how it is literally mattifying the areas. So now all you have to do is जहाँ जहाँ आपको feel होता है कि आपकी acne prone skin है या जहाँ जहाँ आपकी extra pores हैं, try to only apply it to those areas because this is really going to mattify those areas for you. So I'm going to do the chin. Mostly लोगों का T-zone बहुत oily होता है. So that is the forehead and the nose. So I have covered her entirely. And cheeks पे लोगों के pores होते हैं या कुछ होता है. But this is how you're going to do your look, you guys. And love the primer. It's very silky and very smooth. It's going to blur the lines and pores. That is the usage of a good primer. That is really going to help you with all of that. Okay guys, now what is our next step? Our next step is a good foundation, and I have a matte foundation by TV Parlor. And guys, before I go on to our foundation, इस प्रोडक्ट के QR कोड आपकी स्क्रीन पे मौजूद है, प्रोडक्ट ID भी मौजूद है. सो इफ यू विश टू मेक योर पोर्स ब्लरी एंड योर फाइन लाइंस टू completely fade away, then this is your bestie. So guys, take off your phones, quickly take out your phones and download Bypass app और हमारे QR कोड को स्कैन करें या तो हमारी प्रोडक्ट ID हमें WhatsApp करें and you can easily purchase it and blur your pores. Okay, so back to our TV Parlor foundation. ये हमारा TV Parlor का foundation है. The reason why I'm choosing a matte foundation and this is a matte foundation is because गर्मियाँ हैं and foundations tend to slip away. Foundations tend to oxidize to a point कि वो बिल्कुल ही आपके face से गायब हो जाता है. So this matte foundation is going to sit put throughout the day and night for you guys. So शादी पे जाना है या किसी ऐसे long hours की event पे जाना है, anything, you know, you're going to work, you're going to school, you're going to a party, you're going to, okay, wait, let's stop here. Look at the packaging, guys. This is a glass packaging and it is so luxe that I'm absolutely loving it at the moment. Okay, so this is in the shade light beige. मैं थोड़ा सा at the back of my skin निकाल दूंगी. And guys, product उतना हमेशा निकाला करें जितनी आपको requirement हो. So let's start pressing it onto her skin. Look up. I'm going to first go on from the under eye. Wow, this is so pigmented. I think वो जो मैंने थोड़ा बहुत ही निकाला है, that is more than enough for her. Okay, ऊपर देखिए. Okay, dab, you guys. Dab. Absolutely love whatever is happening. Close your eyes. This is absolute love, this foundation. And guys, try कि आप हमेशा एक से दो colors नीचे ही pick करें क्योंकि गर्मियों में oxidize होके ये complaint बहुत आती है कि मेरी skin डल लग रही थी या मैं tan लग रही थी या मेरे color का foundation नहीं था. That is only because जब हम same shade इस्तेमाल करते हैं अपने face पे, that tends to oxidize और वो dull हो जाता है और dark हो जाता है और फिर आपको ऐसा feel होता है कि ओ मैं throughout the event में I was looking so dull. That is not because you were looking dull, that is because the selection of the product was wrong. Not the product, sorry, the selection of the skin was wrong, the color जो आपने pick किया. Okay, so we're going to look at. Okay, I like this foundation, but the only problem is it requires a lot of blending. So when you apply it, make sure कि आप close your lips. अंदर क्या? You guys blend it thoroughly and blend it well. Okay guys, still I am blending this. आप एक छोटी सी break लें and come back. Okay guys, welcome back to Beauty Parlour, and as you guys were seeing, we're done with our TV Parlour foundation, and I will not say that I love it, I like it, but it's perfect for the summers. But winters mein you cannot use this specific foundation because it's too mattifying. It took me my sweet time to blend it, so make sure when you apply it you don't get disheartened, but you have to constantly and properly blend it. So if your blending game is good, then this foundation is good to go for you. इसका भी QR कोड आपकी स्क्रीन पे इस वक्त मौजूद है गाइस. आप या तो इसका QR कोड स्कैन करें बाईपास की ऐप पे, या तो इसका प्रोडक्ट ID आप हमें WhatsApp पे भेज सकते हैं, and we will easily send it to you and you can easily buy it. So we're done with our foundation, and I don't think we require any further for our model, and she looks great in it. Next up, we have our 6 color terracotta blush palette. It's time I put some color to her skin, you guys. This is TV Parlour's terracotta blusher, and ये भी मैंने काफ़ी दफ़ा आप लोगों को introduce कराए हैं हमारे show पे. This is what it looks like. Oh wait, let me open. Huge pans, huge pans, comes with an applicator. इसमें काफ़ी colors हैं, I'll show you guys. So what I do is I mix all of these blush-ons and I place it to the face, sorry, and then just keep blending. There we go. And I like to also sometimes contour from this same brush. And I like to give that skin-kissed, sun-kissed look on the face from this palette, because it does tend to give like a nice sun-kissed look. So this is how I'm going to do her blusher. Smile. Apple, I'm going to cover the apple of her cheeks, on the chin as well. Love, love, love. It's sitting well with this foundation as well. Now you guys can see how pretty she looks. I absolutely love it. This is a long lasting ग्लो भी देता है ये साथ ही साथ ये बहुत मैटिफाइंग नहीं है क्योंकि हमने सारे प्रोडक्ट्स बहुत मैटिफाइंग यूज़ किए so I wanted to use a blusher which was less mattifying but also could give like a sheen sheer you know shiny little glow to the face so guys इसके भी QR code आपकी screens पे इस वक्त मौजूद है you can either you know buy it from our WhatsApp by sending the product ID या तो आप इसका QR code scan करेंगे हमारे bypass की app पे and घर बैठे बैठे आराम से you can buy it. Okay guys, so this is done. Next up we have our Aqua Color Line Cherish 16 color palette and that is what it looks like. Absolutely love it. So let me open it for you guys. This palette is one of my favorite. Why? Because इस palette में काफ़ी color आपको मिलेंगे. It's a wide, ये है छोटी palette, but it has a wide range of colors, and the pans are also very, very, very big. So that's what I like about it. So first, I'm going to color her brows from it. तो आप इस एक पैलेट से you can do a lot. You're not restricted with just eyeshadows, but also आप इससे ये भी कर सकते हो. So I'm going to take the darkest brown shade and first fill in her brows because we need that brow effect also. We need a good colored brow. और आप लोग नोटिस करेंगे जब जब आप ब्राउज को प्रॉपरली फिल करते हो या कलर करते हो आपका लुक ही बदल जाता है. Here it is guys. Absolutely love the brow effect. I am dipping it only थोड़ा सा in the black shade and the rest proper dipping in the brown because she has really dark hair also because of that. Okay, now I'm going to take the darkest brown again. Look up. And I'm going to color the lower lash for her, like the under eye area. And there it is. We're doing a nice glowy look, you guys. Absolutely loving this palette. Okay, now with the help of your finger, क्योंकि हमारी fingers जो होती हैं वो बहुत warm होती हैं. So that is the best way to apply, and I think your fingers are the best applicator for your makeup as well. So you take your finger, you dip it in this color, this champagne pink rosy gold color, and place it to the socket. And अब देखें उसकी pigment कितनी मज़े की आएगी. आपकी pigment का power खुद ब खुद बढ़ जाएगा. वो ज़्यादा shiny और pigmented लगेगा as compared to using a dry brush. Look at that, guys. Absolutely love it. So pretty. Okay, another one. Here we are. On to next. Wow. थोड़ा सा darker shade मैं outer corner पे भी use करूँगी with the help of my finger only. Very easy, and I honestly think it's really doable. कोई भी beginner क्यों ना हो वो ये makeup look achieve कर सकता है without needing a big palette of you know eyeshadows. आप एक छोटी eyeshadow palette से भी ये look achieve कर सकते हैं. I love it. It's so cute. I'm going to use this same shade and put it to the nose to give that shiny effect to it, and the same product smile to the cheeks so you guys can see a good glowy look. You're not restricted to an eyeshadow palette to just use it as eyeshadows. आप देख सकते हैं मैंने एक eyeshadow kit से इनके eyebrows भी किए हैं, मैंने उसी kit से इनका highlighter भी किया है, eyeshadow भी किया है. So never think that you're restricted. If you're a true artist, you will know how to utilize a palette or you know as a beginner also, I would love for you guys to have this information and to use it at your homes and with your own products as well. Look at that, it's so pretty. She's shining. I absolutely love it. I'll use the same shade on the Cupid bow and on the chin as well. Love it. You guys can see how stunning that looks. She is glowing and that's the look that we needed. अब मैं ये थोड़ा सा जो goldish white effect है, I'm going to use it to the inner eye as well. Look up. आप inner eye में इसको डाल दो to get that glow. Love, 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 love. Absolutely love it. And guys, the seller for this पैलेट SK Cosmetics. इसका भी QR कोड आपकी स्क्रीन पे इस वक्त मौजूद है. And also the product ID is there as well. So if you wish to get that glow on your face, on your eyes, and have that one amazing palette which is going to, you know, help you in so many ways and you can create so many looks from it. So guys, this is what you have to buy. And आप हमारी ऐप से इसको easily खरीद सकते हैं by easily scanning the code and or either you can send the product ID to our WhatsApp. Okay, so now the last step के लिए आपको छोटी सी break लेनी पड़ेगी and you have to come back. Welcome back guys to Beauty Parlor. We are back to our last step. But before any of that, I would like to repeat हमने क्या क्या किया. So we started with the matte primer by Masarad Misbah. Then we did our TV Parlor foundation and then the blusher and her eyeshadows. Now I'm going to pack and finish the eye look with a mascara. So whatever is your favorite mascara, you can use that for your eyelashes. And I'm not going to do an eyeliner. I'm doing a summer look, तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं उसको बहुत ही fun और summery look दूँ and give it that naturally sun-kissed effect. So for that, I am doing a very soft and shimmery, shiny, glowy, dewy look for her. So I think the mascara has done its job and she's looking amazing with it. Okay, ये भी मैंने बहुत lightly use किया. I'm not doing any extra coats to it because we don't want a very harsh look for summers. Summers में she can easily wear this to the beach, to pool party, wherever she likes to go. And we tend to become very sweaty as well. So it's always, important and smart to use less products. So, there's less sweating also. Makeup also tends to make you sweat and produce that warmness. Okay, so now we have our lip lock lip gloss, long lasting hydrating gloss by TV Parlor in the shade caramel, and that is what it looks like. Let's open this up. Okay, I'm so excited for this. Oh wow, look at that, you guys, so pretty. Okay, so this is by TV Parlor. Okay, I'm going to use a little bit and then मैं अपनी smile stretch, I'll take my brush and blend it out. And आप देखें कितना amazing mattifying lip gloss lip lock है ये. It's not too drying also. It's giving the color and I love this color. It is so pretty. Very pretty. Love, love, love. Okay, just shape your lips properly. I like to make the lips look pouty. And I think it's looking just perfect on her, the pouty lip. Love this. She's looking amazing. There we go. So pretty. थोड़ी सी shape और set करेंगे. And Here we are. So guys, this is in caramel and I absolutely love this shade. आप इनके lips पे भी देख सकते हो. She's looking too cute now. You know, she's giving very cutesy look. So आपके पास इसका QR code भी अपने screens पे मौजूद है. You can easily buy it, or you can also scan the QR code on our app. या तो आप हमारे WhatsApp नंबर पे इसका QR code भेज सकते हैं. You can easily buy it. So guys, the seller for it is TV Parlor and the shade is Caramel. You can easily buy it and look this pretty. Okay guys, so our summer look is ready. Our matte glowy summer look is ready, which will stay put throughout the day for you guys. And also, since we're done with our summer look, it's time you guys also focus on your hair. So for all the new entries we have received for this lucky draw, congratulations to you guys. And for everyone else, if you wish to, you know, win these two baddies, the blow dryer and the straightener, then quickly guys, go on Bypass app और आप जितनी खरीदारी करते हैं Sunsilk और Glow and Lovely की, जितना आप stock up करते हैं उतना आपके chances to win बढ़ जाएंगे. So guys, it's time you start restocking and stocking on top and win these baddies. Okay guys, so until next time, new tricks and new tips and some new transformations for you guys on the way. Goodbye.